There's some trouble for our apricot tree. Okay, I think it's maybe kind of disease, no? These leaves are like this. We don't want to use chemicals, but we don't know other way we can do. For now, I just picked off those sick leaves as much as possible. Lulisita! Uy, Lulisita! I'm picking the leaves. Want to be here with me? And on this little cherry blossom tree, I found a lot of the leaves. Looks like they got eaten by bugs. Then I found these beetles on the tree. I checked online, they're called weevils. I have already found 7 or 8 of them. Look at these leaves. Must be because of them. We also don't want to use chemicals, so if anyone has good natural solutions, please leave us comments. Really appreciate. Since last week, we changed the chain on our chainsaw. We're planning to clear out all the leftover wood from the ruin.
With this we can make a toilet.
Now we got almost all the wood removed from here. Only one beam. And now we're going to chainsaw all this wood to small pieces. They'll burn, so it's hard to reuse it. Woohoo! We cut all the wood. And we keep some parts of the not that bad. Can still use it in the future. And still need to clean all these broken tiles next week. With all this wood, we can burn 2 years, no?
Warm and cozy for winter.
Yeah. Ooh. These are all the wood we collect from the burnt structure, little branches, dead trees, our land. At least next winter we're not going to worry about wood. Here we have a wood rack. I think it used to store food here, potatoes, onions. We want to move these to the first floor because last winter here was full of water. So maybe with this wood rack, if we can move it, we can use it for storage. A few weeks ago, we planted some onions, but Linda showed us another variety to plant. This one is a late harvest type. So with the early ones we planted before, we can have onions all year round.
O olhito do cebola não pode ficar abaixo da terra.
That part that never can be under the earth. You
Mais
know,
para aqui, mais assim. E aqui está filmado tudo a ser muito. Olha como o som, vês? A água. Eu digo aqui a terra.
Sim.
Depois entrar aqui a água, tem que se entrar neste cantinho aqui.
Sim, tá bom.
E vai
Pero
assim.
aqui o óleo não está muito baixo?
Não. Sempre feita, muito, sempre esterco. Aqui é a terra sagrada.
Look at the eggs we collect today. Four
This is
eggs
a double
per
one.
Yeah. Ooh.
Good work, chicas.
Go. Yeah, 4 different colors. Lucito, my little tiger. Ooh. Nini. I think the pumpkins are ready to go to the field. How do you think, Lulu? Look at the herbs I put here. They're growing super happy now. Oregano, thyme, chive, sage, verbene. We bought 3 roots of the asparagus. Last week I put it here. Nothing happened yet. The strawberries looks happy. It's a little strawberry. This is a yellow raspberry. These are the little fruits or the flowers, I don't know. Look at the little figs. Ooh. Last year we couldn't have any figs from this tree because there's full of wasps. Hope this year we can have some figs from this tree. Look all these. I'm so happy that we saw the vegetables grow bigger every day. Oh, who is there? The kitty is a friend of Luxito. The potatoes are like this now. These are the Picasso. They're growing quite big now. Agria. And these 2 lines are the red potatoes. Oh, onions. Pepper, lettuce, tomatoes are good. Wow, this one's big. They're quite big now. Maybe soon we need to make the rack for them to climb. Zucchinis. Whoa. Another trouble, what's that? Oh my god, looks like some worms or something eat them. Every day we can find some new trouble. These 2. And these beetroots, I found there's a lot of ants around. Is that because of the ants? They eat the beetroot. What can we do with the ants? Looks like there's a nest around. Stop eating my beetroot! It's really not the easy thing of being a farmer. Chickpeas are happy. Sweet potatoes are fine too. These are the peas I throw here now start to grow. These are the late onions we planted yesterday. Dielina told us those onions are early onions and these ones are late. So we plant the 2 kinds. We can have onions for the whole year. Actually we got quite big. This tree is a hazelnut tree. But the trouble is, even the neighbor told us this tree never gives fruit. What happened to you? I don't know why. Oh no. They have these bugs here too. Ah. Oh my god. Funny kitty here. Ay, cutie cutie cutie. A most cutie Lulu. This is a lime that we grow 2 weeks ago. This trouble is the new leaves are a little yellow. The old ones are green. Maybe lack of some kind of nutrients. The other lemon trees start to give flowers. Because of the big storm last winter, we lose almost all the oranges and the lemons. I remember last year when we just moved here, we still got a lot of orange in June, July. And this year, because of the big storm, there's nothing on the orange tree. New leaves start to grow. Hope this winter we can have more oranges. And this holly tree is full of flowers. But this tree is a male. I'm thinking maybe in the future I would like to grow another female holly tree by the side. Find him a girlfriend. I don't know about this tree. It's a lemon or a lime. But it starts to looks like going to have the flowers soon. It's a little fruit from last year, I think. I don't know what's that exactly. It's so weird. It's growing upside down. So cute. And there's another one. Here, tiny one. Boom boom. If you know what's that exactly, please feel free to let us know. Ah, it's a lot. Because the green, we didn't even notice there's fruits. Is that ready? Is that just this color or... Have no idea. Totally have no idea. This is a citron that we call the Buddha's hand. I grew it here 2 weeks ago. Looks like this flower is going to come soon. This one got a similar trouble of the lime tree. Some leaves are yellow. Another trouble is the chestnut. Because they fought so many chestnuts from the last winter, and now the weather getting warm. So look, we got 1,000 of chestnuts on our land. We don't need so much chestnuts. Oy. Look at the roots. Foo. Can pick 100 in 1 minute. This is the reward for our laziness last year, because we didn't pick all. So we got a new chestnut tree. More. Oh, and look at this, what we hate. Well, it's a grape. We need to cut them as soon as possible, or they're going to grow all over our land. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. Here. They're coming. Here too. Well, another thing need to put in the agenda.
Yolinda also told us to spray sulfur on the crops to help prevent diseases. Oh, we got ladybugs. Good, good. Can you help us to eat all the bed bugs? We sprayed it on the fruit trees as well, but we're not sure if it helps with those leaves that already got sick. While spraying, we noticed that almost all of our fruit trees have this same problem. The leaves curl up. This apple tree, look. Those leaves. This one too, I think it's a plum. This baby peach. Its leaves are sick. This apple tree too. Oh my god. Everyone got sick. Oh, this one is a cherry. No one is healthy. This one got sick. What is this? Looks like someone's egg. Oh my god. More and more trouble every day.
You see those tiny ones? Are the ones that ladybugs eat?
Oh my god. Fool. And right now, we totally have no idea. We still got a lot of kiwis left, so I'm trying to make some dry kiwis. Lucito! Woohoo! They're all dried. Want to try? Good?
It's good. It's sour. The seeds turn dry and it's a little crunchy. It's crunchy.
Yeah, with the texture.
It's like a sour gummy. Something like
We
that.
don't need to buy anymore.
Approved.
Woohoo! We can make more. We still got plenty of kiwis, so we can make more. I'm stealing my kiwi.
Yes. They are very good.